Welcome to Getting Started with Hoopla for Android devices, brought to you by the Halton Hills Public Library. This will be a brief guide to using the Hoopla app on Android devices to access amazing content like ebooks, audiobooks, movies, television shows, and more for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card. This presentation will show you the ins and outs of how to browse content, search for specific items, borrow, and play content using the Hoopla app. One of the benefits of using the Hoopla app is that you can take your items with you wherever you take your phone or tablet. Let's begin by learning how to download and install the app. Start by going to the Google Play Store and searching for Hoopla Digital. Once you start typing in the word, you may see it suggested below. You can just click on Hoopla Digital and it will take you to the install screen. As you can see, the app will have a blue background with the word Hoopla in white. Next, tap the Install button to start the download. Once the app is downloaded, open the app on your device. When you install the app for the first time, you will need to enter your login information that you chose when you registered for your account, an email and a password. Once you've entered this information, the app should remember you and you shouldn't need to re-enter your information very often. If you haven't registered for a Hoopla account online, you can do so with the app. Just tap the Sign Up button at the top right of the email box and follow the prompts. When registering, you will need to provide the name of the library system, the Halton Hills Public Library, your library card number, which is found on your library card, and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. You will also need to provide an email and choose a password as login information. If you have any questions, you can email the library at askus@haltonhills.ca and someone will get back to you as soon as possible. The first time you open certain screens on the app, you may get short tutorials or requests from Hoopla for special permissions on your device. Tutorials can be helpful to let you know about new features or to get more in-depth knowledge of how to use the app. As for permissions, you need to choose what you are comfortable with allowing Hoopla to access on your device. By limiting permissions, however, you may find that some functionality of the app may be reduced. You can always change your permissions at any time through your device settings. Now, let's look at how to use the app. The very first screen you will see when you open the app is called the home screen. There's lots of different things you can do from this screen, including searching for specific items by pressing the magnifying glass icon, checking to see what items you have in your favorites, checking to see how many more items you can borrow this month. The number of items you borrow is set by the library and can change at any time. This number resets itself at the beginning of each calendar month. You can start browsing content by selecting a format on the home screen. By selecting movies, for example, you'll be able to see all the available movie titles to borrow. You can also check to see what you have currently borrowed. Let's take a look at how to browse for items in Hoopla. First, tap on a format from the home screen. I'm going to take a look at ebooks. Once I'm in ebooks, I can further narrow down by selecting one of the choices at the top. I can browse by genre, recommended, featured, or popular. When I want to go back to the home screen, I just tap the back arrow at the top. While browsing, if I find an item I want, but maybe not right now, I can save it to my favorites list to borrow later. Start by tapping on the picture of the item. This will give you a more detailed information about the item, including a synopsis of the book or movie, or if it's a music album, a list of songs. By tapping the heart button that says Favorite, this will save your items in your favorite folder so you can borrow them at another time. To find your favorites, go to the home screen and tap Favorites at the top. This will open your Favorites folder and show everything that you have saved, divided by format. It's a little hard to see, but Radium Girls is down at the bottom with the rest of the ebooks. But what if you want to search for a specific title or author? Start by pressing the magnifying glass icon on the home screen. This will allow you to type in a title, author, artist, or even a keyword. As you start typing, Hoopla will show suggestions based on what you're actually typing. When you see what you're looking for, you can just select it from the list. Your search result will be shown below. Scroll through to find exactly what you're looking for. Now that you've found something that you'd like, let's borrow it. Tap on the picture of the item you wish to borrow. Remember, this will show you all the detailed information about that item. Press the blue Borrow button. Once you have borrowed the item, you have the option to read or play it directly by using the internet to stream the content, or you can download it to your device. If you download the item, then it is saved to your device and you can access it anywhere without needing an internet connection. I like to do this with music or audiobooks if I'm going to be traveling in my car. We know that with any type of technology, some difficulties may occur. Let's look at a few ways we might be able to help you before you begin your Hoopla journey. Check your device settings. Do you have restrictions that won't allow Hoopla to run properly? You may need to change some of your permission settings. When listening to music, movies, or audiobooks, check the volume controls. Is your device muted? Is the volume too low and just needs to be turned up? If you do get an error message and you're not sure how to fix it, write down exactly what it says and what you were doing when the error message occurred. This will better help us to help you. You can reach out to us at askus@haltonhills.ca. We can help with anything from my pin isn't working to what does this error message mean? Hoopla also has wonderful help pages which can be accessed through the website or the app by scrolling to the bottom of the home screen. They even have video tutorials, so if you need some help on a topic that wasn't covered here, they may have one available for you. Thank you for joining us for getting started with Hoopla for Android devices. I hope you were able to learn something new. Now go and find some great content to borrow on Hoopla for free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.